Welcome to the help page for the Decision Support Informatics Triple Map Comparison System. The Triple Map Comparison application allows you to compare and query up to 3 indicators geospatially. To use the application, you first must select 3 databases and then 3 corresponding indicators. By clicking on the top box, you can select from one of our 14 databases. Each one contains tens of thousands of indicators apiece. Once you've selected one, click on the second box to choose the actual indicator you'd like to examine. Here we're going to examine the population vulnerable to poverty, a mortality rate, and a GDP growth rate across 3 very different databases. If you'd like additional text help, click on the Help button. For a list of all the references from these databases, click on the Reference button. To see the map immediately, click Launch Map. Once the map is loaded, you'll see the indicators listed above. You can scroll and pan, as any other maps, and they will stay in sync. You can choose to unsynchronize based on scale or location by clicking on these boxes. For most users, you won't have to select these. The true power of this application is it allows you to query across multiple databases for different countries. For example, if we would like to examine the population vulnerable to poverty, mortality rate, and growth rate in Egypt, we can click the map and see all 3 queries at once. It's still possible to select countries even if they don't have data for a particular indicator. For example, if we click on the UK, you'll notice there's no data for the first indicator, however we can get a readout for the other 2. The true power of this application is that it allows users to query multiple databases at the same time. This type of functionality is generally very difficult to visualize.